Hey y'all, this is Dawn. Welcome to my channel. These are green tomatoes and they just grew wild out by the chicken coop, so I'm gonna make sure I cook them really good. I'm not gonna fry them, I'm just gonna saute them in the skillet with some liquid smoke and some herbs. I'm gonna fry an egg later. I killed my egg because I kept getting distracted, but that's me cracking it with one hand. But then I ended up making a sandwich. It's just like a salad, and I don't know, it's just lunch, but it was fun and they filmed it, and so yeah, here. That oregano's from outside, mustard mace. I put a little water and liquid smoke in there. I know I fried the egg to the pan, but there's pepper and salt and some crushed pepper flakes. That's avocado oil. And I just stirred it around and then put my tomatoes in there and just cooked it like that. So it was really, really cooked. Sick of doing dishes, so I just mixed some chives and dill and salt and garlic over here, and then I put the avocado oil on the greens first, and then I sprinkled my herbs on top so that I wouldn't have to like make a dressing. I think these are about ready. Give them a stir. And then I'm just gonna like open face it with the egg on one side and this on the other. I take a few bites, then I turn it into a sandwich, and then I polish it off. Stubbs barbecue sauce. I added some strawberries on there because they're so pretty, and I took a bite and it was so good. And I took another bite, it was so good. And then I made it into a sandwich. I had planned that the whole time. This is the bread I made my toast with. I love this stuff. I get it at Kroger. Alright, be blessed, be a blessing, blessed be, stay golden, all that jazz, eat good, and see you later.
We just lost power, and it's stuck. What do you want, Funky Chicken? What do you want?